Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm just going to go again into how I trade Volatility 75 index. It's a synthetic index that is offered by a derivative broker, and it's one of the ways that I actually make money online. So this is going to be a video showing you how I actually trade Vix 75, because I've posted videos and sometimes people continue asking me, hey, please explain that again, please explain that again. So this is another video explaining how I trade Volatility 75 index. Now you see that I have these indicators that I have on my screen here. Where do you find them? Where do you find them? If you go in the description box below, you should look for a link that is called pslognews.co.za, and if you click on that link, it should bring you to one of my blogs, which is going to be this one. You see pslognews.co.za, and when you are on the blog, you need to go to this section that says free forex stock trading downloads. If you just go there, you will not miss it. And then you come down and you go to the next page. There's a lot that you can download from here, as you can see, by the way. You can download a lot of other stuff from here, but what we're interested in today is Volatility 75 index. So this is the system that I use to make money on Vix. So you just click on there, and this is the article on it, and basically I've also embedded a video on the article showing you the particular settings, the settings that I have on the system, So basically I've given you everything, guys. I've given you everything. I don't know if I need to do anything else, but here is the link to download the system. You just click here, it should download. Then you load it onto your MetaTrader 5 and you open your derivative account and you load it there, and basically use this video for the settings. And when you load the indicators onto your MetaTrader 5, just go back and look for the settings, then come and add the settings. Now, how do I actually do this? Now, by the way, if you are new on the channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. Now, how do I actually go into the nitty-gritties, the meat of the trading with this strategy? By the way, feel free to explore and come up with your own ways of trading with this system. That's why I've given it out for free, so that you guys, maybe somebody will figure out something that I did not. Then you can also come back here and share. Hopefully you be generous and you come back and share with everybody else. So what I have is, actually I've loaded the system onto two screens. Here it's the same system as this one. It's just here I don't have this thick round figure indicator. That's the only thing that's missing here. And here on this chart, I just turned it black, and on top of that I added a 5 moving average. Let me just show you properties. Moving average, it's 5 and shift is 2. 5 and shift is 2. It's also actually the same the same indicator that I have on this window as well. That's the only thing that I've added that you need to add manually. So you open a window with a 5 minute chart, and you also open a window with an 1 minute chart. I do take swing trades on VIX, but I found that this system is also suited for people who do not want to hold their trades for too long. Now, here's what I noticed. By the way, here you can just change your chart from the candlesticks to the line chart, or you can keep it as candlesticks. Decide what works for you. Really, I'm just giving this as a guide. So what I noticed whilst trading Volatility 75 is, like Forex, it also loves to bounce off these key levels. It also loves to what? To bounce off these key levels. That's what I noticed about VIX. Maybe you probably not noticed it, or maybe you haven't. Maybe let's just go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if it's going to load. You can see on the 1 hour time frame, VIX also bounces off these key levels. It just bounces off key levels. That's what it does. That's what it does. So that's why I use this. By the way, this is some strategy that I use for trading normal Forex. You can see it bounces off these levels. Bounces off these levels. I mean, test it out for yourself. If I'm lying, then I do apologize for that. But for me and my guys who are making money with this system, this thing has been working for us. Okay. So that's the first realization that VIX 75 loves to bounce off these key levels. Now, what do you need to do? What I usually do is what? Rely on this moving average as well to just screen out trades. For example, we have a trade there. Let's see if it's coming back here again, or we might have missed it. But let's see what's going to happen there. Let's just do this, and we're looking for a sell. Let's see if it's going to sustain. Now, the 5-minute time frame is my guide. As long as price is above this moving average here, this moving average, this red moving average here, as long as it stays above there, sometimes I do get in early, like here. Let's see what happens on the 5-minute time frame. As long as price stays above the moving average there, on my 1 minute I'm looking for buys. That's why I have these two screens. As long as price is below what? The red line. Price is green and the red line is the moving average. As long as price stays below the red line, I'm looking for mostly for selling opportunities. Let me zoom out a bit. I'm looking for selling opportunities. Now I couple that with my key zones, especially if we are coming off this middle area or these areas. If we're coming off these areas or the middle areas, that's where I'm actually looking to take those trades. I don't usually want to take trades in these white areas here. I don't want to take trades in the white areas here. So that's the philosophy of my trading. So it broke through. Let's see if it's going to come back and retest here. That's the thing with Volatility 75. You do not to, when it breaks through like this, then you jump right in and you have a little money in your account. If you jump right in and then it retraces a bit, it takes you out of your trade and then it continues without you. That's something that you need to note about trading these synthetic indices. So if it continues, that's fine. We'll wait for another opportunity. Don't be in a rush to catch every opportunity that happens in the market. What you want to do is wait for only the right opportunities. So if it continues without us, we don't worry about that. we only want the right opportunities for us. So let's see here again. Probably missed it now because I thought it was going to come and retest this level here, if not this level. And if it was going to do that and here staying above this moving average, I was going to take a buy. But I'm confident we're coming to this level now. But I missed the trade because I wanted my trade to be somewhere around here, and my fear is we've missed the trade, but the target is it's probably going to come here, so we can just watch it then. That's the thing. Also, don't try to run after the bus. Wait for another bus, guys. Wait for another bus. I said my rules is I don't usually take trades in these white areas here because I don't know what might happen in these white areas here. So I usually try to only take trades in this area, and this area, and I'm guided by my moving average, and this is 1 minute time frame. I'm looking at what's happening on the 5-minute time frame. I want to see what's happening on the 5-minute time frame, then I see if I can take the trade or not. So let's see what's going to happen with this candle now. Again, it's teasing us. Come on, come down. And you saw I have this countdown timer here. I use it so that I know whether I should enter or whether I should wait for the next candle. Now maybe let's just buy. I've entered 3 buys. It's probably going to retest against me, and we'll see what happens. It's probably going to push back against me. That's why I usually want to take my trades around here, but now I'm making a video and I'm fearing that I'm probably going to finish the video without actually taking a trade. And you know, you don't want to do that when you are trying to explain to people, because then people are like, we are not getting what you are saying, because you didn't actually take the trade. So I had to force myself to actually enter a trade there, and price seems to be staying above our moving average there, but we'll see what happens. But I'm confident that price should come and test this level there. I'm confident price should come and test this level and even might actually break through and go. So you can use this same setup if you are trading. Maybe you can change this to 1 hour, then maybe change this to 15 minutes, or maybe change this to 4 hour and change this to 1 hour, whatever rocks your boat, guys. That's the point of me sharing with you this system, so that you can probably find what works for you. The goal is that we both make money with this thing. So yeah, many people continue asking me questions about using this system. Again, I'll try as much as I can to answer all your questions. And yeah, if you have any questions regarding trading volatility 75 index, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them. By the way, if you are looking for a new broker, whether for forex or for trading indices like these synthetic indices, see the links in the description box below. So yeah, let's see as price comes to our level there, and hopefully I can demonstrate that it's very easy, guys, to make money with Vix 75. So easy to make money with volatility 75. Don't make things too hard. By the way, I'm not saying this is the only way of trading Vix 75. If you have your own way that is working for you, guys, I always say in my video, if you have your own way that is making your money for you, keep doing it. don't let anybody make you feel bad that you should be probably doing it this way, you should be probably doing it that way. If your way is making you money, keep doing that way. But if you want to learn something new and you want to try something new, well, you can watch my videos on this channel. There's a lot that I'm talking about: how to trade synthetic indices, how to trade forex, and stuff like that. So you see, we're coming to our level there, and yeah, hopefully we can hit our stop loss there. I'm aiming for this green line, 46,000 whatever thousand, but now my TP there is going to be hit. So yeah, let's see what happens with Vix 75. So a quick $20 right in front of you, taking $207 to 230 or something like that. So yeah, it is what it is.